Panapa pochibuda kuti regime yava kuziva manje kuti panapa pachizoshata kukepcha kwakaita the 16-year-old girl uya umozwa kuti a candidate aiwa pachizovapinza under pressure. Panobuda idlina ramurikana rikanzi munhu akago under pressure to release jailed school girl. Sana pinda mashuka muda nyonga noti bo subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinga mimi kwa mchinzi. The opposition party Zim People First has issued a strong call for the immediate release of Nicole Chabata, a school girl detained since June 16. Chabata, one of the Avondale 78, was arrested by the regime for allegedly conspiring to disrupt the Southern African Development Committee SADC Summit. Stephen Mazanza, the national chairman of Zim People First, has expressed profound frustration and urgency regarding Chabata's prolonged detention. Reflecting his deep concern as both a political leader and a father, Mazanza stated, as Zim People First national chairman, who is also a father, I cannot sit and watch the regime use and abuse power to this level. This is now too much, and we have no option but to take things into our hands. If Nicole is not released as soon as possible, we are going to shut down schools and take to the streets. If that doesn't work, we do what they did before. We fight for our independence. No mashuka rulo ngwana wakomana wachiti aiwa tauda kushata down ma schools. Advocate for Nicole Chabata kuti abude musungwa. Nicole Chabata kwasoenda kuchikora kwanise kugara ma examinations ake. Ndakuti regime izvi iri kupa state condition yekunyara yekuti tombuditsa but arikatingomudelaya ngatimbomushedza mukoti tongoita sekuti tingodelaya bail yake zviite izvi zviri kufamba neprotocol kana pa zvinhu zvazvakamisa but pasina kana nyaya iripo but chazongoona zvedu kuti ipapapa pamwe pa next week ipapapa arivhika tomboperi musikana anenge atobuditsiwa. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu musaona subscribe or like channel, turn on the bell icon.